There's something very interesting about Friday afternoon. Everything is a little bit relaxed, market's kind of quiet, nothing moves most of the time. And it's the perfect time, I think, to take some time off and try to reflect. Today I'm going to try something that I didn't do in kind of a long time, and that's going to be in line with the video you guys saw yesterday. So I'm going to go in a coffee shop or something, try to reflect a little bit, think about what I want to do, make some plan, make some notes, and that's the primary purpose of my Friday afternoon, reflection time. But that's not really what I want to talk about today. I want to get some charts and share with you guys what I consider to be the number one rule when trading. The thing that I have learned the hard way and that really made the big difference for me. So let's get into the charts. This is a trade I've been talking about last week, and I want to bring back this trade to show you guys the rule of 50% in trading, and that is very important. This is a trade I talked about in this video last week, a good technical trade setup, and I was sharing exactly what the setup was like and how I took the setup. Now I took some partial profits right now because we reached 1-to-1, and on a trade like this I'm usually taking some partial profits. As you can see, market pulled back today. We've had this kind of hammer forming, or pin bar if you want to call it that way. But I want to just explain a little bit more why I take some partial profits. And that is because of the rule that I talked about, the 50% rule. Every single trade you take has a 50% chance of being wrong, no matter what the setup looks like. It always has a chance to be a losing trade, and you have to accept that. So that's why I don't really believe in the idea of putting fixed take profit that are really far, like at 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 or at the zone, because it's really hard to tell if the market's going to hit that zone or not. I prefer to take my profit over time because I have no clue, and the chance of the market stopping here and retracing back to the entry is possible. It's 50% in my opinion. So you want to take partial profit to maximize the profit you get on a move, but also to minimize your losses. And that is a very, very free way to take profit. You don't have to look at the market every day. I didn't look back at this trade until kind of today. The rest is all automatic, so you don't have to think about it, and that's very important. Once we reach, let's say 2-to-1, the market still has a 50% chance of going further or pulling back. Hence why, if you want to make it stress-free, have some take profit placed in advance and take some partial profit. So just to recap and make this very clear, we have absolutely no way of knowing what the market's going to do, how it's going to react. I receive like maybe 20 emails per week asking about where I think the market's going to go, what's going to happen with USD CAD, and I have no clue. Like, there's no way to know it, basically. You kind of have to plan first and then react to what's happening. You cannot be someone who's going to predict the price. And that's a big change. I used to think for so long that my job as a trader was to find the winning setup, and that cannot work. You have to be willing to accept that you don't know what's going to happen and that you just execute the plan you have. And that's all there is to it. So to summarize again, the 50% rule says that all the trades you take can be winners or losers, and you never know in advance. The price can either reach your target or can not reach your target. That's always 50%, no matter what. And as soon as you understand this, you get detached from wanting to have the perfect trades, expecting the setup to be winner. If you come in trading with the mindset of just doing your plan and not caring about the result, which we talked about yesterday, go watch the video. There's going to be a link right here. You get in a much more calm and free state. And that can only be positive for you as a trader. It cannot be bad, for sure. So I hope you guys like this quick video. I hope you're going to apply and understand the 50% rule. Something that really helped me change my trading and change the way I think about trading. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. There's one more video every single day. If you guys want to work with me or connect, make sure to reach out. I would love to help and do my best I can. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow is going to be a podcast interview. Make sure to check it out and listen to it. Always a good inspiration to start the week. And I will see you guys the day after that. Ciao.